Hello everyone.
Ma'am,
How are you? How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Now today I am going to teach you digestive system. Okay. So everyone will listen carefully. Okay. Now see, what is this? What is this?
Ma'am, biscuit.
Ma'am, a biscuit. Ma'am, it is a
Ma'am, a biscuit.
Okay, muted. Okay.
Ma'am, biscuit.
Okay, when you will eat this biscuit, then what will happen? You will get energy. Okay, that means why do we eat food? We eat food to get energy. Okay, and this energy you will get after digestion. Okay, so for this you have to know about the process of digestion and what is digestion. Okay, now first of all, the question is what is digestion? So you think about this food. When you will take this food into the mouth, then what will happen? It will go inside your food pipe, then into the stomach, then into the small intestine, then into the large intestine, and then digestion complete. Okay, so after digestion you will get the energy. Now you see, I am going to show you a map diagram. See this. First I am going to say okay, going to share my screen. So see this. Is it visible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then mute your mic first, beta. See, this is the diagram. Okay, and what I told you, what is digestion? See, digestion is the process of breaking down of food to get energy. Okay, here in this picture you will see the organs are present. That means digestive organs are there, and the digestive organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. So these are the digestive organs. Now come to the esophagus. See this? Esophagus is the tube that connects mouth to a stomach, and it also called food pipe. You can say this food pipe also in simple form. Okay. Now come to the stomach. Stomach is a muscular bag-like organ which collects and digests food. See this? This is stomach. Okay. Now come to the liver. See this? Liver. Okay. This is the from liver. What will happen? Digestive juice. You get the digestive juice from the liver and this will digest the food. Okay. Now come to the small intestine. See this tube-like structure. This is, see the arrow. I'm showing you this tube-like structure. This is the tubular structure. This is called small intestine. Okay, now move to the large intestine. See this part. See the arrow. This is the large intestine. Okay, and now after digestion, the undigested food will come out through our body to the anus. Okay, so these are the organs present in digestion. Okay, digestive system. Organs involved in the digestive systems are esophagus, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Okay. Now I am going to no. First of all, I will just see here. I will do one thing for you that will be clear about the organs. Now see this. Here you have to drag the names of the body part, and then what will you do? You will put here. Okay, now I'm going to drag this. See this? Here I'm going to drag. This is mouth. See? Yes. I think this is clear to all of you that this is mouth. Okay. Now come to the food pipe or esophagus. See this. This is esophagus. Okay. Now come to the stomach. I am going to show you the stomach. Now see this. I'm going to drag it. Okay. I'm going to drag it. Stomach. Here, this is the stomach. And see the arrow is there. Okay. Now, small intestine. I'm going to put here. Yes, it's okay. Now, I'm going to put this large intestine in the place of the large intestine. Yes. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Have you seen all the organs present in the digestive system? Tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, mute the mic first. Mute the mic. Okay. Now, see how the digestion. Listen one thing, there, beta. When you take the food inside the mouth, then what will happen? This food will go inside the food pipe, and after this, it will go into the stomach. And do you know, in the stomach, no, little bit of digestion takes place. That means partial digestion takes place in the stomach. Okay, and when this food comes into this small intestine, then what will happen? Then here the complete digestion takes place, and in the small intestine, digestive juices, we get the digestive juices from the pancreas and liver. Okay, and food is completely digested here. And after digestion, what will happen? After digestion, that digested food get absorbed by the walls of the small intestine. Okay, and after that, the undigested food pushed into the large intestine. And in the large intestine, do you know what will happen? In the large intestine, no digestion takes place. Okay, only the absorption of the water, extra water present in the food, that is present in the rest undigested food, is absorbed by the walls of the large intestine. Okay, and now the undigested food item that will be thrown out to our body from the anus, and this is complete. Okay, so this is the process of the digestion. Now, so watch a video that is very interesting video, and you will enjoy that video. I am going to show the video. See this. Just wait and enjoy this video, and then it will be clear to you the process of the digestion, how the moves food will go into your body and what will happen with it.
Yummy!
Okay.
This food tastes so nice. The food that I eat goes to my digestive system. So I must chew my food properly. Look, our teeth help us chew food. The tongue mixes this food with the saliva and makes it soft. Saliva is the juice produced in the salivary gland in the mouth. The tongue then pushes this food down into the food pipe or esophagus. It's connected to the stomach. The food pipe pushes the food into the stomach. The stomach is just like a sack. Digestive juices in the stomach break down the food into smaller particles. From the stomach, the food passes through a long tube, the small intestine. Digestion of the food is completed here. The liver and the pancreas also release juices that help digestion. Once the food is digested, the nutrients pass into the blood. That's how we get energy. Some of the food we eat doesn't get digested at all. Look, it passes from the small intestine into a white tube called the large intestine. This waste matter travels through the large intestine. The body throws out the wastes through the anus. And that's how we digest food.
Wow, this is very nice video now. I hope you all have enjoyed this video and you all have got the clear concept of the digestion. Now I am having one more video and you enjoy this video, then I will ask the questions. Okay, so everyone will listen and see carefully. Okay, now I'm going to show this video. Watch this video.
Process of digestion. The process of breaking of food into simpler forms that can be absorbed is called digestion. The process of digestion of food starts in the mouth. In the mouth, chewing of the food by teeth makes the food into fine particles. It is mixed with saliva. From the mouth, the food enters into the food pipe, also called esophagus, and then into a sac-like muscular stomach. The digestive juices in the stomach break down the chewed food. The partly digested food then moves to the small intestine. The liver, the largest gland in the body, produces digestive juices that help in digestion. In the small intestine, the digestive juices from the liver completely digest the food. The nutrients from the digested food move into the blood. From the blood, the nutrients will move to all parts of the body. The undigested food then moves to the large intestine. The large intestine absorbs water and leaves the waste as feces. The feces are expelled through the anus. Summary. Digestion starts in the mouth. Food is partly digested in the stomach. Food is completely digested in the small intestine. Water is absorbed in the large intestine. Waste is excreted as feces.
So here you have seen that how does the food get digested in our body. Okay, now see this. Here this is clear. So it is clear that this okay. Now this is clear to all of you that this is mouth. Wait, beta, just your mouth, then food goes into the food pipe, then into the stomach, then into the small intestine, then into the large intestine, and rest the undigested food comes out to the anus. Okay. Now, is there any problem in this process of digestion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Clear.
Now listen
No,
here. Listen. Okay, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now see here. Digestive organs are there. Do you know what you have to do? You have to make this diagram. Okay, like this. This is here. So you will show this mouth. You will show this mouth. Yes. You will show here this mouth. Then you will show the food pipe here. Yes, beta. Wait, beta. Let me explain first, beta. Let me explain first. So you will draw this diagram and you start from the mouth, and then you will show food pipe. then you will show that this stomach, okay, and then liver and gallbladder. Then see this. This is a small intestine. This pink. This is a small intestine. Okay, get it clear. Now this big yellowish structure. See this. This is the large intestine. Here you keep in the mind that in the large intestine, no digestion takes place. Only digestion takes place in the stomach, in this stomach, and small intestine. In the stomach, partial digestion takes place, and in small intestine, digestion completed. Okay? And in the large intestine, only the absorption of water takes place. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now you have to draw this diagram. Okay, what will you do? You will draw this diagram. Okay, now I am moving to the, see this, I am moving to a quiz. Okay, so these are the questions. Here you have to, I will give you these questions later, not right now. Okay, after this session, I will give you the question, and then you will solve this question and you will send to me. Okay, and now it's quiz time, and so everyone say this. Okay, now the first question is, you will raise hand only. Okay, what will you do? You have to raise the hand. Okay, now I am going to ask from the Khushi Kumari. You unmute yourself better. Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what will be the answer? It takes about dash. Listen here. Here you keep in the mind, this is in a stomach only, not from the mouth to the anus. This is only for the stomach. So keep in the mouth. It takes about dash hours for stomach to digest the food.
Ma'am, 4 hours.
Okay, I'm going to submit it. Let us see. It is true or false? Yes, nice. Very good, Khushi. So this is correct. So it takes 4 hours for the stomach to digest the food. Okay. Now I'm moving to the next question. Next question, you will raise hand only. Okay. The next question is the food passes through dash after you chew it. Raise your hand. I'm going to ask Keshav Thakur. Unmute yourself. Keshav Thakur. Okay. Yes. Yes. Tell me the answer. A, B, C, D. Which is correct? Esophagus. Okay. Unmute yourself, Keshav. Ashita, raise your hand. Unmute your mic.
Yes, esophagus.
Esophagus. Which picture is correct? A, B, C, D. Which?
Ma'am, picture A.
Picture A. Okay, I'm going to click here in the picture A. Now see, this is correct or wrong? Yes, this is correct. Very good, Ashita. Very good, very good. I am moving to the next question. So you will raise the hand only. Okay. Now, the next question is, which of the following shows the intestine? Raise your hand. Who has raised? Okay. I am going to ask him. Nishant, unmute your mic. Nishant.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the correct
Ma'am, option D. Option D, ma'am. Ma'am, D.
option D.
D.
Okay, mute your mic. Mute your mic. Okay, I'm going to submit this. See this? Yes. Good. Very good. It is this diagram. This shows the intestine. Okay. Now I'm going to move the next question. So, what's this question? See this question. The food, you have to raise hand only. Okay. The food leaving the stomach goes to the. Raise your hand. Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Food pipe.
Who has to? Beta, listen one thing. When I will say you to say, then you have to unmute yourself. Okay. I'm going to Aritrika.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, it is intestine.
Okay. I'm going to click this as you now see. This is correct. Yes. Good. Very good. The food leaving the stomach goes to the intestine. And do you know intestine is divided into two parts? One is the small intestine and other is the large intestine. So first of all, it will go to the small intestine. Okay. Then it will go to the large intestine. Now I am moving for the next question. The next question, you have to raise your hand only. Okay. The next question is, where does the digestive system begin? And I'm going to ask, going to see first who have raised the hand. Let me see. Yes. Om Raj. Om Raj.
Yes,
Om
ma'am.
Raj. Yes, you tell me the answer. Yes. Where does the digestive system begin?
Ma'am, to first mouth. B.
Okay. Let us see. This is correct or wrong? Yes, very good, Om. It is correct. So the digestive system begins with mouth. Okay, so it will start.
Ma'am, you are muted. Ma'am, you are muted.
Confusion?
No, ma'am.
No confusion at all. Okay, so now your work is what you have to do. I will provide you this, the organs of the digestive system, and this you will draw this diagram. Okay, this is your homework. Everyone will draw this diagram and label the diagram also like this. Okay, you will label the diagram. You have to write the diagram. Now mute yourself. Keep yourself mute, students. Now you have to label this diagram, and if you want to color it, you can color it. Okay. And then now next is the, I will provide this also. I will give you this also. Sorry. This also. In this the questions are there, like fill in the blanks, and here you have to write here healthy habits and unhealthy habits. Okay, so everyone will write here, these are the healthy. See this column, in this column healthy habit is there. Wait beta, just wait. Okay, so this is the healthy habits, columns of healthy habits. Unhealthy habits, sorry, unhealthy habits. Now what you have to do, you have to make it correct. Okay, and then you have to write here, you will correct write the correct healthy habits, and then you will fill this. So these are the homework for you. Okay, now you will complete all these diagrams. You will complete the diagram of the digestive system and complete this these question answers. Okay, so I hope now no confusion is there, and it is clear to everyone. Okay, that's all for today. Now I am going to end the meeting. Okay.
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
confusion? Any confusion?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Thank
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
And nice day, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you. Thank you for explaining.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So I hope you have enjoyed today's session, and you have watched the video also, and you are having lots of work. So you will do all the homework which I will give you today, and you will draw the diagram nicely. That's all. Thank you.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you for your nice explanation.